This is the website that we created in our last video. If you watch that other video, you will realize or understand what we are talking about here. Okay, so this is it. If you click any of this button, it will take you straight to my Adsterra direct link. All right. So for many of you that may not like to go to that other video, I'm going to explain this website. If you look very well, you will notice that we have the Macropravira injection here, and then if you don't know anything about this injection, you can just ask Google. Google will explain everything to you. So, and we are making use of that opportunity, to make money. This particular injection may not be available to everybody right now, but based on the availability, many people are looking for how to get it. Okay, so you take the advantage and then make money. All right. So now make sure you use the prompt which I used to get this particular landing page, and the prompt is in that other video. Then after watching, you go to the comment section and hit it. Right, it's there. Then um, I will take you to my YouTube because I've made video on how to run these ads, and that step is exactly what I'm using. Okay, so just type Dirichuku and then scroll down, and you're going to see this FB ads and Adsterra arbitrage. Watch this video. Every simple step that I am using is inside this video. Just watch it and then let's continue. So we are skipping that side of teaching you how to create the Adsterra ads on your Facebook ad manager. Okay, because I've already explained that before. This is the video here. Just go straight to this place and watch it. All right. So this is the site. Okay, this is the landing page, and we use the Blogger blog to host this particular landing page. Okay, to learn how to do this, watch that other video. It's already at the comment section of this video. I mean, the video description. Just go down there, and then you get it. All right. Then look at these statistics here. This is my all-time stats. I created this website. Was it 3 weeks ago? This is the video here. 3 weeks ago. That is when we created this particular website. And all-time statistics is this. You can see it here. This is all-time. And then last month, about 40,000 visitors. And yesterday, there was about 5,321. And then look at last month here. And today is 1,213 site visitors. You may say, I did not post anything. Yes, I did not post anything. There is a way we did it last time. You get, there is a way we did it last time. So if you really want to learn how I did it, you can just go straight and watch the video, okay?